Biko na Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ekenekwa m gebe ọbụla nene masị m Igbo ndị ọma Chineke nna kelecha ọmụma. Biko na nwanne anyị nwaanyị bụ Ogechi Njaka. Onwe vidiyo si ikuti ka ọ dọgwọrọ ya dọọ mmadụ aka na ntị, dọọ ndị Matthias aka na ntị, dọkwanụ ndị omenala aka na ntị. Maka na they are putting out the wrong narrative na social media ya ebute ọgba aghara na n'Igbo anyị. Unu si na Matthias, anyị kwetara na Matthias apụtago. But he is yet to issue an official video statement. Unlike before, pota ogbala ọsọ mgbe nke bịa kube. Mana kịta aka jigi yanku, you people fail to understand the fact na Matthias balụ n'ime so si amụ ihe ọfụlụ di ya. Thanks to ụdị mmadụ dịka Ogechi Njaka nwecham access to some informations. Ma ndị na-asị m si post ihe afọ na fonu Matthias ka ihe ji ya eme. With the little knowledge of ihe nwete na ihe mfu and ihe nno. That thing afọ na phone Matthias according to Ogechi is not for public. Ihe abugudu ka aka mo situation dan ka mana Matthias ayapụta na kwelu ndị bịa. As I'm still talking to you, Matthias ka na Abuja. Maka na ọ ka host meeting echi. Mana ekwuli ya mgbe ekwumi nwanne nya kwuo ya nya anasị na mama ihe nnegwu. Kịta Matthias na Abuja. What failed him to ime that meeting na ebe ọ na-eme ekpere omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ya. Ọ na ọkanyela ha meeting na Abuja branch ka ha niile kpaa. So now he's taking his time na kwa reschedule ihe nne schedule okwu. Maka ada ama mmadụ ekwu okwu ya eti ya na problem again. Maka aka kpalụ Matthias again. Ọ ya bụzikwa a federal case. Ọ bụzikwa case nya na Akuzayon because along the line Akuzayon drop a case. Due to some things and issue that statement to Mazi Simon Ekpame. The thing that Ikwe Matthias na into more deeper mess, which he did later denied. No matter on the harbor. That was what prompted people to go and be looking into his phone. Away manner. Okay. These two people has connection. Man, but yeah, maybe explain well to the public. But Matthias malana. Ihe ọbụla me Matthias akpali aka again. Monye ya bịa butere ya new. Monye ya ndị ya bịa na ha represent ya. Before many ma charge ya to court. I charge ya to court prison. Direct. You can say can call no to put in a video no. Ihe ọbụla afọ na phone Matthias remains secret between ndị jela Abuja lawyers ya and some few media bloggers. Maka ada ama mekwe na ọ bụrụ ihe ekwuli echi. Video ya agba na anwụ, voice recording ya agba na anwụ. And the video no for the meantime.
Oh, come shishi unoko. You want me to believe it? You want to suppress me to believe in nonsense? Everybody. If you have problem with any fake pastor, deal with that person. Don't tamper with my faith. Don't tamper with my faith because you have me to contend with. If you want to fail out, go shishim ga jeba toothpick mjaba kishim ga ashemu surapo unenu. Na me they talk am. Could you imagine? Mburo shishi mga akure toma get built or for me to come and worship negi or worship nage. Are you mad? Are you really not? Now, Ndadibia and Omenala, Imanamuru na Katalaya before. And we're gonna Katalaya again because you guys can never suppress us. So, when you reach everybody inside, you guys want to send everybody inside. Go to Ghana, Kurani, rubbish here. Unu put them rubbish as Ossia from Abara. Unu put them you see what I did to Jota? This rubbish. Dima gonna do for ya no. Anama tufia. I will torment of Agun. Of your free woman. I will torment all this rubbish until the whole world and we cannot hear. You gonna be Uria? You not can know. And also the post saw you no man for ya. It's a man for ya. The post saw you. Everyone just go soldier. Rubbish people everywhere. And I queen you. Come on, shame of one or say something. You want to come and comment? You want me to notice your house? I'm not noticing anybody. Anybody I notice, because I notice and I notice it. Rubbish. Now these pages, who page are KG, madam? My other page is not active at the moment. So now share around me. The people who kahana chomona abia, because through the share they will locate me. I made this valley. Chamabunu, ofia furo to mwani, ofia furi mwani nine, ofia cho Igbo jabancha every night, every morning. I want you know ogadibia. That's it. Tiana ofia furo. Oh no, dibias, all these dibias, they are prostitutes. Ewe kuru pana. Imana that's idiot. You know because Arabic win moto. Oponu mwani sompo. Which God are you? Which arrow say, if I may say? Did they be on watch mado? Happen airport get there. But nobody can see you. Nobody can see you. Uno para drug upon airport get uno. Nobody can see you. I am not see. Danshina, Sanshina. Nobody can. I will only hear him be after. But he's the kind of God you want me to come and worship. Eh? Did they get a chiagoro piano? Your boots on again. Useless things everywhere. Eh? Ashigawa, you were there, she, every god there, she the boots on Zoo Shabaga Babuki. Gana Joe get they are na Jeremy Omununu. Nami Ashmgi, I have rekindled una para. Mad woman. One negi jiremwogi. Because I wish you negi panuru. Or carry him a useless woman like you. Don't worry, guys. Now share on my capepo man no. Bikono. I'll be reminding you. Now share no ya. My WhatsApp group uno. Me everybody now come on and daddy be a bit again. Because they will never have peace. Actually, Christianity with their problem. Omenala rubbish with their okay, the Christian will answer bunu. So you guys want to come and deceive thousands. Una tagidena icon omununu. Nobody will ever again suppress it, all of us. So we will run away. Only can shechi ye jabra better threats and one near. Only can she one nature. Who the fuck are you guys want to intimidate? That's my question. Who the heck? Anybody know? See these people. Now to Salamo Jebe page Jirimana Mari Hati now. Neti sanu de mamu. Neti sanu de mamu. Neti sanu yana wu na wu kogo ni Ishi. Na korobish. So unatin wunu bejiri pastor deceive Holland ebe ole gara church una chozi ji abia surprise and can believe una rubbish go convince them man when this na Matthias, when this useless thing na Matthias was tormenting Dick and Harry yabe on street yana threatening everybody now harass say everybody none of you were preaching peace. All of you say, Matthias, young, continue, carry the go. Whatever you're doing is good. Yeah? That one is doing is good. Make we continue. Hey, we move. Matthias are now tormenting people. Now molest the people with their rights. Now suppress the people. Let me, maybe people intimidate. All of you are now kulayaka. All them carry they go. Carry us they go. Usuna no unenu. Because of who Heshimu I'm Karaya with no apologetic about it. Okay, stay. Don't put yourself in another man's mouth. Come on, backward. Come on, church. Come on, be shown out. Who is the another man? Who is the another man? You know what the man? Who is the man? I'm not bringing people. No, be akwa go with the man. Who are the man that couldn't suppress this mayhem? Matthias Ezeaku for a long time. Hello, my brother. Welcome. Jemo are the other people. Who are the men? For Amano, I'm ready for no. What may not do? Yeah, Ishi.
Yeah.
Hello, my brother.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Dalu.
Dalu. Are you side okpu? Are you side the okpu? Are you beach? Are you okpu?
Ihe nchọrọ ikwu bụ na ihe Christianity na ndị omenala. Ịma na eziokwu ka gwa gị eziokwu. Iberibe, ndị mmadụ dara iberibe. Chineke nọ n'igwe, anyị kwetere na Chineke nọ. Then ndị ekwetara na Chineke nọ, ọ bụrụ by force. Even mgbe Kraịst bịara n'onwe ya, before Chineke anwụọ, o nwere ndị na-ekwetara na ya, ndị na-ekwetara na ya, nwekwa ife o mere ha, onye na nọrọ onwe ya, ndị kwetakwara na ya, na-ekwetakwa, onye ka emegide, Kraịst wee nwụkwa for our own sake. Nkịta na ndị mmadụ abịago na-ekwukwa na Chineke abụrọ Chineke, na-akpọ Chineke afa, na-abụ Chineke ọnụ. But ihe dị ya bụ as a human being, onye na-akparị Chineke kparịba Chineke, okwu dịrị ya na Chukwu. But nke mma ya sọpọtụ bụ ebe na-akpọ mmadụ ibe gị iyi na o ji wee bụrụkwa fake passport, o ji bụrụkwa nke a, my dear, onwe onye uche zuru oke kwesịrị na-eme that kind thing. Ihe okwu kwesịrị bụ okwu ụmụazị, onye na-aṅụziri mmiri ara afọ betago ebe na-asị this a man of God not fake and nwe evidence. Ọ bụ omume okwu Matthias a kwufere okwu Matthias a Matthias kwesịrị ịnọ mkpọrọ. O kwesịrị ịnọ mkpọrọ. Nna afọ ihe na-efe na online so na-asị na Ebuka Obi mere nke a mee nke a, na Ebuka Obi mere ndị dibịa nke a. Onwe mgbe Ebuka Obi jere be onye dibịa kpọpụta ya kọtọsịa ya. O bụ onye Ebuka Obi asị onye dibịa, onye na-emere onwe ya dibịa, Ebuka Obi kọtọrọ. Pọta ịfụrụ ndị mmadụ abịara aka Ebuka Obi. Onye ọbụla na-akparị Chineke na-asị na Chineke mere nke Chineke mere ya, ekwu dịrị na Chineke, pọta mmadụ ejiri n'ọnụ ya wee na-akparị mmadụ ibi ya because of na o decided ife Chukwu. A na-asịzi anyị niile bịa febezi ya gbara. For what reason na? Ndị abịa na-asị na gọọmenti mere nke a, na gọọmenti mere nke ọzọ, na gọọmenti mere nke a, na ụka emere ha nke a. Ndị ụka ebe na-arụsịrị unu iro, ndị ụka ebe na-arụrụ unu hospital. Ọ gọọmenti na-emesi all these things. Na isi ka m gwa gị eziokwu, anọ France, amị Paris na ha na-eji obodo ndị ọcha wee na-amanye ndị Afrịka na-efekwa na ndị ọcha na-efe na ndị ọcha ama ha Chukwu. Ma dia ofu cathedral arụ na Paris, just one church, ofu cathedral, ihe atụkata ya like cathedral 4 na Nigeria. Ihe wọt ya arụ na ofu cathedral n'obodo Igbo. Ibe na chọọchị ndị ọcha na-arụ chọọchị, ha na-efe Chukwu. But ihe ya gwazi mbụ na ha na-aga gazi chọọchị nke Ashaka Church, because I believe na our government is not meeting up to our benefits. Ka anyị gbakwuzie Chukwu, na Chineke nyerekwa ya aka. And God has been so kind. Anyị na-akpọkọ na-asa anyị ha na-ewerezi na ndị ụka kwesịrị na-emezi gọọmenti kwesịrị ime na Ebuka na ndị ụka bụ onye nke a fraud. Akpọtakwala onye mere fraud ya kpọta nwa ya. A kwesịrị afọ Matthias na mkpụrụ ahụ eziokwu tomio asịkwa kwuoro agaghị akpọ Matthias because ọ ya ọbịa n'isi. Ekwesịrị akpọ ya na mkpụrụ ahụ n'ọdụ 10 years. So onye ọzọ ya apụtakwa na-akọtasị ndị chọọchị ọzọ. So I'm now can see we can you
my brother Nelu, you can contribute. I'm a happy to contribute. Go ahead.
Okay. Do you want to talk?
So, I'm here to this matter. Sorry, about this Matthias of 18 is that Matthias have been insulting other people, other different men of God. Matthias have been insulting other different men of God. Matthias has insulted Father Mbaka. Matthias has insulted Prophet Fofuyi. Matthias has insulted Apostle Suleiman. Matthias has insulted Lord Choosing. Matthias has insulted a lot of men of God. Nobody is advising him not to stop his way of religion. But the problem of Matthias now is that Matthias is now seeking for attention. Matthias know that he's seeking for attention. He's now seeking for attention negatively. A man of God that I can testify with all my life that is original. You are now saying that that man of God is fake. A man of God that the kind of grace this man is operating with is oversized grace.
Don't block them. Do not block them. Allow them. Don't block them. Give them the space. I block. How they talk.
This Matthias not a person now. The problem of Matthias started when he started calling Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi a fake man of God. That is where his problem.
From Igbo of themselves, go be the baby far. Baby see Omenala. Matthias in with Scosco. That boy at Matthias. Almost Scosco. From Igbo of themselves to Omenala.
My brother under the leave, can you contribute so other people can come in? Go ahead. Then we have a lot of people waiting under the here to join.
Yeah. That na Ndi Omenala, they should leave we Christians to live. I'm a Christian. I'm a dedicated member of Anglican Church. So I don't know the reason why Ndi Omenala Ganeji na abia na-ekwu against Christ, that Christ and emezi exist. Our ancestors. Our ancestors. Who does that? Sometimes. Sometimes in their nature, they said these people do they reason at all? You know that men of God do fake miracle. Then I keep asking, if it is fake, do you think that many people like Chukwuebuka now, do you think that they will always, that many people will be coming to that very ministry to worship God? All fake miracle can mean okay, you get many fake miracle for how many times every day? Bukana will be calling people to come and be paying them every day. Like these people, do they think at all? Do they listen at all? So sometimes if I see them here on Facebook, I will just scroll up and move on my way. Like this,
they are not going to shut anybody up. If anybody don't want to stay, I will say it to their bone marrow. Even that your email now, you will have to close mouth.
I'm telling
they
you.
Want to suppress you.
And so that is jealousy and envy. Are you getting me?
Yes.
You cannot tell everyone to believe what you believe in. Do your own. Play your lane. Where you don't even know whether it exists. Are you getting me? You are too small. Are you getting me? Come, play your lane. Nobody is disturbing you. So why calling them fake? And many people, some gullible followers will just come out and start rapping. If you comment, they will start insulting you, telling you as I was telling you. Is that how gullible they are? Like seeing white, not wear black, now broad daylight. So many people say your lane for what?
Like me now, Christ works for me. What is it?
No, now my husband go and marry animal. She don't want to call him.
Prayer movement is a movement. It's not a church. The husband they know it. It's a movement.
Nobody will stop
it. It's a movement. And very people have blessed so many lives. They cannot at all. It's envy. O me pele church ya enwe onye tini onu mere no cheke hapo onye obo ya break ya like millions of people now in Zion and no to that you get arrange millions of people everybody just too much the grace now automatic they don't reach I'm telling you. On a day has surprise. On a day has surprise. That didn't rope where we are. Gave you an alone. I'm telling you.
Everything is solution. Prophet is solution.
I'm telling you.
Stupidity in the
For
highest
how
order.
long? For how long can we be arranged? For how long?
For how long you are in work?
Still, when you that Gio there, just keep quiet. I'm for that now. So many useless people here have the daily and many video. It's just unnecessary clowns. Actually, after them, I say Christian. But the thing I never hear, I got to say, Mona day your name. You so many stupid people have put if Philistine had a reason through their anus. I'm telling you.
This Omenala of 18, all on Facebook here, come now for fire. I'm telling you, now real life, I've been in my own village. Now I traveled to my village yesterday. I'm in my village like this now. I came down to village. Digging about it, about this, even our hospital, a teaching hospital, I'm a student doctor. They have 1 year to graduate as a medical doctor. Even there now, our consultants, everybody, I want to know Christ. They may hospital down. Christ, who name I Omenala? Oh, who name I about open a Facebook? I'm not home, Matthias.
Different states. Are you getting me? If you're on Facebook, we have to see Omenala, no Omenelu. And then you're Omenala. Confuse people. Sometimes people don't know. Even on a post, give one. This one never married. Who go marry this one? Nonsense.
You have the guts to speak against Muhammad. Okay, fully against Muhammad. I'm in program in Bible Bible. She have go do Quran. Go do Quran. Quran is not a religion thing. Go do walk now. You will not have the guts to do that.
You cannot do it.
Just that day was a very nice man. That day was hobby. Boy became a hobby. Seriously. Boy became a hobby. All of we too much. Yeah, who saw no other Jeremiah threatening Jeremiah again. Jeremiah again. Igbo killing Igbos. Igbo killing Igbos. It's not good. Honestly. If we will learn in that way, are you getting me? Because I'm I know that he will not learn. Seriously.
All the program Jeremiah I'm now watch online 2 days in Taraba State. So I saw him performing some miracles. So man saw Omenala now. And Onya Biaye Bukra Pukoni Bia from hospital. Oshi from hospital. And the thing I was watching it. Man say India I got no real Ndi Igbo. So man, that read each other. Yeah, but the Jeremiah was asking him, where are you from? Mention the place you came from. Mention the hospital you came from. For people that will go and verify.
I am a marriage at all. Oh, prophecy with instant solution. I am a marriage. Oh, we have put no an chase cloud, a chase view. Yahweh, anointed man of God. And when so many good things that they can make, you will teach you one way go to Facebook. You mustn't say any negative thing for you to get money on Facebook or for you to get views. And when they just see good things on them, then when they followers and I go well paid. You have to go about get cover nonsense to you. Or what each evidence? I think it was evidence.
My brother not below. Can you contribute? We are listening. Go ahead.
No, yes. Young when this Matthias of 18, our people. In the fight again, Bukobi, that is all the many. But hide under man.
Many.
Hide under Matthias. One, let the fight again will all keep the people. And they claim that their Omenala.
As soon as I walk on the name go Matthias arrest and all Ebukobi, I walk up a somebody who has 5 million. Ejiofor Matthias. If man on the Libya, this is your time of for all true wine. Even on the Tibia, I am to show me. I on the Tibia than
the post about Matthias. Honestly.
Their group. Another group again, one there in the ministry, all these small ministries.
Yes.
All close to the ministry, because I asked somebody now got today, see that all these women in Pechera church that time ministry say they can say close
look at you. Look, you're about to go down to the drain. You that is a fake a shower man. You are about to go down to the drain because your own is no longer functioning. If I got to fuck for Ishi, men got Imam Tibia, Imam church.
I swear. Very confused person.
Matthias is a pastor.
What in the name of Jesus? Oh, we are in India.
Omenala. So the thing I want to look na all akozayo na awro na men obiakute he suwayo.
My brother.
Suwayo.
Imagine kunu kucha kambia koru ihe mere dia. Imana pe nde all this all this miscreant. That's from Kanana and him ne kwacho me block. You what I go? Kunu kucha no my brother kuwe kucha ine me kambia koru gi ije Matthias ni ije ndu no. Ima Matthias gara ije ndu no.
Food now who use it. All white man or why would you reject the phone? Every white people gotta get your history. Matthias is supposed to the fight. Can Nigeria with try history? Can I matter we are here again. You cannot just block people, give you not nonsense in Omenala Ezeaku. Who say Omenala Ezeaku?
This charity foundation of Matthias.
Thank you so much. Yeah, 200 and you 700 later. Thank you so much. Please, thank you, Aranum sister Nkolio. Our charity here yesterday, she gave us total $300. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, sister Nkolio. Thank you so much. Even Nkolio, if you know this video on time, I even acknowledge you. Thank you so much, my sister. The Zell. God bless you. Thank you for the hospital project you supported that we are building for the poor. Thank you so much, Sister Nkolime. I appreciate. My brother, continue. My brother, continue.
So the thing one Matthias another thing was Simon jump. Simon nearly Simon for end. If for end, I wouldn't know take a time on the end. I want your program.
I am the sabots. Nonsense.
If are you telling me that here the chowa freedom while I rode the again Koshi Christian?
I am engineer candid advice. I am engineer a very candid advice.
If not, I will lose but a lot to sell. Because
this kind of
Omenala cannot fund him at all.
Not at all. My brother. Now, this is my brother. He with a brain. These are the kind of people I like to associate with. Be you that is talking now. You talk with points. Imana Matthias said that today. Matthias Ishi from Enu down to the drain because he started fighting Christians.
Yes.
Christians are the people that started funding Matthias and a charity. Yeah? Christians are the reason Matthias started doing well. Christians are 100% of people that support Matthias. They are the poorest among the poor. Because when they borrow, and when they throw, how got 200,000 with 1 million now, go. I want to get 900,000 with 2 million to tell you how dangerous these people know. Matthias started with Christians. In that family, Matthias had a conference called Matthias will kneel down and start praying. How he deceived a lot of people through Christianity. He deceived millions. All of a sudden, Matthias Abaria fight one day Christian. And now that downfall when you start fighting in the bit of this thing. The Christians they built you. That you get bit of until you may back on at 20 walk. Yes, it's okay. Can I say fool now to fight Christians? What no, Christians are in fight Ghana. Can you do Omenala to understand it? You won't come on 2 million in account today. About to rebel, okay? Omenala, need to start contributing. Are you coming to do Waja, my brother? Waja. Didn't get so okay, Abuja.
Cover up. You're not cover up. Oh my God, you're not cover up.
My brother. I
Saying our pastors and the mother. Why is Matthias not talking about OPM pastor that has been training people abroad, building different schools?
Imagine shaking at this Matthias one if you
Satan.
Onye weapons.
Stupid. Are they happy? I want to hear a woman being happy.
I don't want them to like this. Matthias weapons. Let me shaking Matthias weapons. I don't know how to paint works. I'm in my baggy apple one. Matthias weapons. A woman who had a cancer. There are 90 to solicit for help. In my Matthias, no they denounce to Jesus before you help warrior. No they denounce to Jesus. Man, to get charity when a discrimination in it. Charity they have blood that runs in our vein. It's a color. When you different color. This Matthias has the lady on with a cancer. The Matthias no get denounced to Jesus before you this lady ended up losing her life. Matthias to come and solicit for help. Matthias has shaking equal na Jesus equal na Omenala. Equal na Jesus. Matthias shaking that again help. Who are these people contributing this money? 80% are Christians.
Christians.
Matthias Majogo Mbende Biafra. Almost Nde Biafra Nine. Those Red Cross people from America, who Christians. They help to Omenala. They help the pagans. They help the Christian. Charity does not identify any religion, any color. And this guy was pure equine. Matthias one job.
I don't want to cry.
A lot of people have. Olive oil and olive oil consumes everything that has to do with life. You can use olive oil to cook. You can use olive oil to and make conversion name magic. And Antonia Elaku is like olive oil on Igbo. So what are you guys telling us? Conversion name magic. Which is a part of olive oil. So you olive oil and Boria is deceiving you.
It's deceiving you.
Yeah? In many even here, and a shimbi, and a tea and a salad, and a no longer, and a tea and some certain things no longer. Only for you now, Boria in different ways. Only for you the camp. Go to my pekere enwe ye shinampu na me enwe shinampu is like olive oil. Anybody come and tell you olive oil na na aboria olive oil. People are not learned and they are deceiving their fellow illiterate.
And Matthias Ezeaku Omenala Omenala. The real Omenala Jewish worship.
This program, they are reporting it. Click love, click like it. Share the program. Click love, love you guys. Let me the truth. Akusayon. Let me tell you what Akusayon did. For those of you who got Akusayon on, with no apologetic. Now let me tell you what Akusayon did for you and me. And every one of us, Akusayon saved millions of ogu, saved millions of lives, because this Matthias has beginning to become a terrorist in our people's lives. Akusayon saved your poor mother that is in the village is selling nothing to eat. Akusayon saved a poor child who is growing up. I'm left and right here, and I'm bear that Ijeka. Akusayon said, the calamity can fall on our head very soon. Because Matthias has gone beyond anything that I could ever imagine. Matthias all these hooligans on the streets to be tormenting in Ghana preach. Now let's assume I will give you Akusayon minute. Let's assume like in Ghana, I'm a radical Christian. If you dare come to me and you get one, you feel me? But not everybody will tolerate it the way other people. Even through that period, anything himself when governing and making act of anger, provocation. You provoked me by then or go a bit. Christian Omenala by then or go a bit. Every accolade that he deserves. Like I said, I'm a radical Christian. You can't intimidate me by my faith. Because I'm not my rights. Men preach on the streets. Although Matthias send those hoodlums on our Omenala, and they threaten him to stop preaching. And we be able to protect them. Let me repeat it again. In America, you cannot infect anybody's space. You need to stay away before you talk. Gavin my face, I feel threatened. Because I need to protect myself. I'm not being a beggar to me. Because you are threatening my life. Now, so to cause all this mayhem, Matthias wanted to cause. Akusayon stopped it. Now, another thing, Matthias had a church. I don't know whether you guys forget so soon. Yes, because he didn't go outside on a make noise here. Because now, Matthias now got people can have a church. Church. Matthias Ezeaku Now, Matthias about Bible that I hold so high esteem. Like some Christians are not radical Christians. Even at that Bible cook and in Nigeria. Even at that, but a lot of people ignored it. A lot of people ignore this imbecile, this idiot, and Matthias. This devil I will put an Igbo. Now, Matthias, one guy get preach, those idiots, those uneducated idiots on a church here. I get preach there, I put him making one day. Chichi, here were a fuel, Gamunia church, unluckily for the person they get here. Along the process, a boy, here, when a boy on Omenala plan, we have to come to revenge.
That's
So,
true.
Zion stopped a lot of things. If you guys don't know, Zion will save you. Nobody is tormenting Matthias not to preach his stupidity. And when this life will come, you go for it. Anyone get belief for you, go. You cannot subject me. You cannot mandate me. You cannot intimidate me. That's damn get. You are not forcing me. You are not forcing me to come and accept
because
you.
men are the
Because
I will
and you believe that it's your right to tell me what to believe. So if Magin and Pagi cannot do it for you, you should go and thank that guy. You can't bring situation down, but because of their stupidity, because of their low mentality, the way they reason, they will not understand the impact you just created in our lives. Makachi, they will not understand the peace you just created. Matthias and Okpetela na 20 walk.
I'm telling you.
Some idiots Matthias come and preach that olive oil in let Matthias come and talk. Documents Matthias is signing. Oh yeah, a lawyer put on rubbish. That lawyer, where a back angry and determining his fellow lawyer.
I think I'm not the page now had the man.
No, I saw one video. I'm not bet you thought that's how them bear lawyer. Yeah, been calling you. Ndi Igbo, I'm looking as a man. Put that there, another war on Ili Igbo.
Yes, now.
Even out the city of the next civil game, I'm here for the day. This one, up to the federal government to charge again. Nothing can redo your case with another people. Not even with the anymore. And I'm all this gullible idiot to let Togi. Hey, do this, the money like an arch. Emanashi, once. It's not going to call your man or one corner. Try it again. Say you know the year word. I say try am. You go feel am. Woto. You go feel am. So my brother, people be ana Matthias put dia koinyo. Somebody say Matthias say never konya put care I should do it. That was not what Matthias was preaching. That wasn't what he was preaching. Matthias was depriving people getting help that he must be a Christian.
Ebuka Obi ahụ ọ gbagara na ekwu eziokwu ya wee kwukanye ya n'eziokwu. Ebuka Obi nọ na Lagos steeti wee bụ isi na Tinubu steeti nọ dị support Peter Obi. Nọ n'ime Lagos steeti which Matthias cannot even do in Igbo land. Imagine
this same Bukobi has been the one preaching, praying for
you won't make it die or before.
Honestly, Matthias will help all half of the people that they Bukobi the help. That is the help of people.
They don't see those ones. But you actually pinpoint. Everybody did this. Everybody did this. Everybody. Man, Junu. Omenala unu. How many hospitals? How many schools? How many people could liberate it? You know, we do not understand them. Like I walk to the Jana Sampolani. Nejana Samprana. Na wine. Ne do everywhere. I'm not Junu.
Envy. Greedy. I'm telling you, envy. They want to take
I'm ready to go Bunono. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Nobody that complain.
I don't understand.
Because we want to understand. I can't easy.
This kind of thing now, okay, many of Dumeje of Anacha. Yeah, man. I don't remember what control Dumeje. I don't remember. Okay, madness by force.
May God have mercy on him.
I got for Dumeje and I got for Dumeje and Anambra.
The my man.
You know, that's a come on. That's no trouble.
Oh, yeah, no, no. I'm not trying to contribute. So, so I got some people, then I'll remove some people because you will lose. It's just that if I remove you, I need to add other people. Hello, you're welcome. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm enjoy the program since.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
My brother, welcome. What can I call Matthias Ezeaku?
Asene? Matthias to continue to torment us.
Oh, but when I want to say, I want to Omenala na Igbo. I'm good. No, so I am. Why you work at Madunisi?
Asene?
I'm going to teach Igbo. Don't go for Kalisa. I'm going to go. Oye kage. Oye kakwa na chika kwa na kuta miliyo.
Kage kan nage. Can you need that you represent? Can't go to get Kamuge.
Oh, buddy,
what soldiers of Christ? I was soldiers of Christ.
This blue apple, yes. And you know, my brother. Nonsense. I told shut everybody out.
Watch out from now till that's why you hear me work out.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Oh, je more offense. You have touch not my anointed. I do my prophet no harm. Oh yeah, why go na rahora ko je meto aka na odudu. Oh yeah, oje go me your marry your Iri na. I will go no video na watch after ke release ya ngba no na ke barista no this son so that son net down we take Quran na say aka akpekpere. Mayanwa, Ma Zion, Ma Los Zeus, all of them net down. Mana Oko goes in order against his faith. Go do faith to be young one.
Which faith? What faith?
But I am that day. I saw it.
Uche, good luck. Your network the bad. I've been trying to add you, is not adding. I'm why.
Let's be fair that day because only Abuna neba.
Uche, your network the bad.
Only Abuna
ebe ahụ bụkwa ndị ọ na-emegide anọ ndị ahụ ọ na-emegide bụkwa ihe bịara for his release. Ezigbo ife na mere apichigo ọnụ na ọ dị ka isi wee akụzi ahụ zọrọ ndị many people all fighting for us very well.
Ndị Igbo niile ma ndị a na-akọ o sevuchara all of them. Akụzi ahụ bụ odogwu. Ekwesịrị iti odogwu one for Igbo Land. Ọ kwesịrị iti ya.
So ihe a niile ọ na-eme bụ ka just ka o wee na-akọjọ mmadụ wee gbowe mkpa nke ya akpa ya ka ọma. Okay, watch go ya nwa bụ ihe na
the fear of 72 or 72 hours gara aga all because of 72 hours ka eji nye Matthias extra one day. 72 gara aga I know you guys are not calculative enough. Una na go ọnụọgụ. The thing passere. Matthias was crying, begging. Makwado ndị 72 hours. Ị ga-ahapụzi mma nwo here. Matthias ihe m na-akọrọ gị.
Onye omenala ka ekwanụ nwaanyị gwa ndị omenala ya bịara
ọzọ mma nwa ya ma ndị 72 ọgbakwa anyị jikọrọ mụ na ndị a mgbe a chọziri ime ya federal offense. Iti ọtụ na-arịrị ọnụ ọwụ unu gburu unu towere Matthias ebe ọ nọ today.
telling you.
Because the way I do that advisors, I want to go today.
Watch, I wonder. You just I away young bar.
Ah.
Yeah, I do uncle. Oh, you just I away young bar, you know me. So, all my any no matter. Oh, you just young bar. We will work out. Oh, yeah, repent. Oh, yeah, repent. Because he didn't know the man is not paying him. He didn't know the man. Kita go for go now. Oh, yeah, back the loss in your about video from square one. Eh, back on the oh, yeah, no, we see Jesus Christ. I want to denounce so that he is sorry.
Useless.
Oh, Chineke the Kwando. I'm going to hear what that's going to Chineke the Rondo. The funny thing, you go though. It just not calling no work now. So if you're going so or why you thinking you don't take them.
Even these people are being deceived away a lot of people who Christians are online because I mentioned a bank. Not along with this guy.
I noticed.
Nobody is speaking against this. What this guy is doing. Nobody. And I didn't know Matthias for that suppression. God forbid. Here again, people begin to how much the faith you have belong to. How much what their mother and their parents taught them.
Imagine.
Yes, but I am Christian. But you don't mean I make sure look at you. You begin we will not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet. We will not.
We should worship God. We should worship our ancestors. Man, just our ancestors.
But I'm a Christian. I'm from Nakaliki. I grew up in there. But here, Matthias Ezeaku, are you mad? Are you mad? And I brainwash because nobody is speaking for Christians. And then some fake pastors generalize here to everybody. Christians are all bad. No, I say no to that intimidation, and I say no to it. Again, there is no going back. Everybody must believe in Omenala. Omenala tinyere anyị to ebe anyị nọ to today. Omenala that brought us to super. Unu achọ ka m bịa were osisi m ga-ata atụ ka m bịa gbawara isi n'ala over my dead body. I will not do that. I will never go back to that. Our
ancestors, they say we should worship our God through our ancestors. Our ancestors of Ndi Ejiri mmadụ lie. Eme akpọrọ isi mmadụ anọ asaa elie ha ma ha nwụọ. Ndị a na-aga worship our ancestors. People that have died.
It never happened in Igbo Land. Ndị Igbo a na-akwafu ọbara na-enwe onye eji isi mmadụ lie. But we tell you that ihe niile ndị ancestor ha my ancestor because I'm ndị ancestor ihe niile ndị ancestor ha mere ha niile they denied all of them.
Chema Agbagidaisy nne una mgbe anyị na-ala Anambra Osumenyi agwọ onye Osumenyi onye Anambra ka ngwụ forget to were am na so my mom is from Owerri. Mgbe anyị na-ala Christmas ịma na eze ndị Osumenyi nwa gachọ ụmụaja ga-egbute isi They will announce it.
Let me go to Abia State.
Okay. Go ahead.
Nnamdi Kanu shiputa. It's afara ukwu Ibeko, afara gogo. Achọ m ikwu onye ihe connect him to afara. Okay. In fact, my blood, half of my blood afara kushina ke Nnamdi Kanu. You understand that place? You understand? Ana agba we ha na agba ekpe. Ndị ọha afịa na agbakwa that thing. Ndị abịrịba ihe ha na-ebu n'isi.
Yes.
Those days, you watch out how they share decorate. And they just share carve ya now. Iga have Ishi mother. Okay, the woman that was telling us this thing told us that in the olden days, those days, no real Ishi mother. Ishi, real Ishi mother keje me. No, before I made that festival, before I bought that thing, yeah. Now go like he got ubi n'ime ọhịa that time because na ndị ọha afịa na ndị abịrịba side ahụ na-esi dacha side ahụ abịatacha side ụmụ ahịa. You understand that side, all those are far side, the neighboring villages bịa na hunt abịba ọla ahụrụ nwatakịrị n'ime ọhịa. You understand ma nwa okorobịa as in they will capture you and cut because all that festival eji isi ihe ahụ eme ya. You understand? They told us all these things happened those days. So they had amazing now to maintain that culture. They now use Oshishi to carve it and keep it. Or they will still demonstrate it. But those days it was really human head. Keji Nemia. Yenda ile mechana na Igbo nke Abia State. Ikwu osulu ha sigi na enwe heriko osu fodu deny ya na enwe heriko osu na side. While everybody man ali Igbo niile enwere family ga-aga tora ga-aka si ndị abi na aga ime ahịa na that village na ha osu. All of denying what happened in Igbo land. If ancestors ha mechara arụ niile ha kpara n'ala Igbo. They want us to go back and start worshiping idol. We should start and start creating carving images. Kpọọ ihe akpọrọ akụ dosedo na atụrụ ya ọjị na awụrụ ya mmanya ọkụ atụpụrụ ya mmiri. All ihe ancestors anyị mere. Oteche efe Chineke. You know, I don't know where they want us to start from. Because if ancestors, for instance, ancestors, sister Ogomer, na Osumeni, is not the same ancestors did in Imo State, you understand? And I don't know what the ancestors did. So I go back to what they did when I don't know what they did. You understand? And these guys are so confused of people, and they want to bring the confusion, even among them. And believe some of them will come online and tell you Nando Ọdịnala na-aga back and the church. Na ihe Matthias na-eme awụghị ọdịnala no church ka ọ form. That is not Omenala Igbo. But they are confusing. Ndị Omenala na-agwọ ọgwụ. Na ihe akwa instance na-eme ime oke ite na ọwụ Omenala Igbo. Ụfọdụ will come and tell you na ihe kedu aha disi like him that dibia in as much as I don't believe in dibias nke na-akụzikere Omenala Igbo ọfụma nke na-eme eze nwaanyị Sọbalị. We now come and some will come and tell you that what Million Willow is doing is not Omenala Igbo. No ihe ọzọ ka ọ na-eme. Ndị eze nwaanyị apụtacha, they will tell you what they are doing is not Omenala Igbo. Even among ndị eze nwaanyị ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-awa ọjị. N'ala Igbo grew up in amam enwe ihe mekatara nwaanyị awa ọjị n'ala Igbo. Nwaanyị a na-awa ọjị. But ụfọdụ eze nwaanyị bịa ha sị gị ha wee eze nwaanyị dibịa na nọrọ na Facebook.
Thank you.
They will come and tell you it's not Omenala Igbo. Ihe akwụkwọ ndị ọdịnala o. Some people will come with so many practices, different ways, confused set of people. That's what they want to so only no here decide and chose he got church and one year force to be hit, you get Chineke. That is the thing. God is your creator. One year force to get church. And we're going to where pastors say go. If you go to church, worship your God and go. Or we will need any pastor ego money get your offering. Ijiri your offering gain to support the church in Agania. Nichupan hego, you go and serve God and go home. Chineke yoga get any money. And don't allow any pastor to scam you money, not only make deliverance. Sing you for you watching a bribe to bless his people. That is what we need to tell people. Or we not castigate people's character before my poor because when those actually join. Okay? Before my poor, let me say this thing. Ekurumi na platform from Ezeaku the other day. And when he had from criticism and assassination of character or defamation of character. Without knowing who now, I don't know your name, brother no name. I can call your name and say, I can know where he can when in a war, in a watibia, in a more kite. I can come on Facebook and say, Umunemunesus Nanda na war, Gunagazileno kite, Nanda undoshi. No scammers ka how hanezu no shi. Onye ọbụla pụtara na Facebook si na ọ na-agwa oke ite onye ahụ awụghị ezigbo dibịa na onye oshi ka ọwụ. Don't give them your thinkable. I am criticizing an act m na-ebelieve na ọwụ ihe ọjọọ ka ọwụ. But mbịa na pick ege as a brother ị na-agwa dibịa ị na-agwa dị oke ite ka m wee na aha gị wụ oke dibịa dị ike. Chima Ishi from Mbieri n'Imo State. Masị okay, dibia dị ike Chima nọ n'Imo State from Mbieri. Kpọọ adreesị gị kpọọ ihe niile. Iwu onye oshi ka iwu igbuchala our people. You've fired all our boys, all our youth are useless because of you. You are an occultic person. That occultic kingdom you belong to. GNA deceive our people. You know, accusing you of buying people when I've not seen anybody. Although I'm not marry home, but I've not figured you out to assassinate your character in the public place. In whether rights as an individual or any of your family member or your supporter Diego, so okay, this girl that is saying this, let me teach her a lesson for doing this. He amazing he got to their petition against me in a police. As simple as that, once petition is written, police will move for arrest. They will come and they will invite me first. If I refuse to honor their invitation, they will now come for arrest. They can pick me from anywhere because I've refused their invitation. How they often how we can decide I get pick because you refuse to honor our invitation. Number one is that why didn't you honor our invitation? Then they resist to arrest. Bawaham, but drag what with them, blah blah blah, drag what they are gone, like it's happened in the case of Matthias, is another problem. You don't resist arrest, even anywhere in the world, USA, everywhere. Police jogging, once I explain, you follow them gently and go and hear what they want to say. Okay, then from there, this is the most civil way, the only way to resolve disputes involving the law of the land. You don't take laws into your hands. Then from there is now the police and the lawyers that will decide if the case is something they want to charge to court or something they want to resolve peacefully, and then give conditions for the release the people. So Mami Henry, our people who make noise all over. Over things name were all wait. Our brother Matthias Ezeaku, and I know he know what he saw and he has learned his lessons. Omenala made mistake. The lawyers, senior advocate of Nigeria, spoke to him one-on-one and explained to him where he made mistakes. You understand? He has learned his lessons. Okay, sometimes on social media are just noise makers. How many of them did you see in Abuja to even go and say where is Matthias? Still lying on our first headquarters, but we don't know the particular division. We don't know the particular division where Matthias is. None of them. The only people that went there that begged were the same Christians. Matthias Okura is a Christian, but you know more with video. He was the mother barrier war. Now also and he came to they flogged him on Facebook. Los Zeus made a video. Matthias finished Los Zeus. A lot of money also involved.
Everybody.
All these people are still the same Christians.
Oh God.
The same Christians came to beg as brothers. Then
they want to chop everybody off.
On Facebook, we did not see them in Abuja. We did not hear their name that they begged or apologized.
Somebody same Christians. So
are you people wasting, making it look like Ndi Igbo we don't have any problem. Just as you guys Omenala actually him here in peace. You people said that Christians better to na village, no why Bidoria. There is no pastor anywhere in Igbo land any missionary that entered anybody's nguru or shrine without the consent of that family.
Yes.
Nike. And all in on obodo Igbo, each or ịga buta arụsị nọ na be nna gị. Please don't go and bring that arụsị and stay abroad. Ibute that arụsị, the evil spirit na be nna gị. Make sure you are the village to be servicing the arụsị na sacrifice there. Because on a stage oge ri achọwa ọbara na ihe ndị eji maintain ya. Disturb one day around na your immediate family na village. Make sure you stay in the village to perform all the sacrifices they need. That is all I have to say for now. OG, thank you for allowing me to contribute. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Mad face na my NGO account number. You that have the impetus to click mad face. Now the NGO account in a gonna to Koram Jarunu, then we got the how eh? You that have the impetus to ask about Kachina click mad face in Negi. Makachina again. Okay? So now Putaneti, Guinea we are raising fund to Ajarugaran then we got the hospital in Nigeria. All of you guys please, if you have not donated, we did this fundraising yesterday and we continue to do it until the end of December. If you have not donated, we are raising the total amount we are raising to complete it to 20 million. It's 12.5 million. For clicking mad face, na that thing, or take a click mad face ni hundeki. Please, if you have not donated, that's our NGO account number. Use it and donate. No amount is too small. Continue, my brother, but you are welcome.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Actually, in a more from where I'm a follow game. I'm a silent follower. I'm a follow your program.
Thank you, sir.
So I know when you email them, one post email them like so much. Second telege for that. Only advice in this man, this Simon pretty man. I see an so that man
my brother.
Oh, go my
brother.
goes to the Ndi Igbo na my here goes specifically that no blogger can that man.
No, but maybe he thought he was doing the right thing. So he may not know, you know.
Is a common knowledge. Is a common sense.
Watching my brother, you know that. And I'm not correct, we all know that we will be doing things and we go over the pot. You know,
yes.
Maybe that's why I took my time.
And when we take a correction.
Yeah, that's what we did not take correction to amend those things. Say what
way involved now side the one side. That means on a pay with the decision here. And young that almost in the Igbo Christian. And all the Christians like the and everybody they put Matthias
we have said it several times. So I see no reason why he should have been. But maybe you're there way. You know what you like I'm watching here. Everybody will not know everything. You understand?
I'm good video ni like ile hii na biko tibaka ke subscribe or like when notification kiwe mkwani kene mwete notification bobona I post a video from when I say biko ko dele nwoke mma dele nwanyị mma ka enwe no mgbe ọzọ. Bye.